It's a beautiful day. Yeah. My boyfriend's playing some game. I don't even know what it is. And I have to do this again. Because, why? Because Chrissy keeps texting me?
Yes, she does.
Yes, she does. And that looks like space. Okay.
Hold on, you want to pause it a moment.
What?
I'll pause it if you want to look at it.
I love it. It makes me happy. Okay, so I'm about to cook these eggs. Because they're the best eggs. Woo! Oh, there it goes. This is a shitty house. I'm not going to say why. And look at that, there's a clean sink. There's a clean sink. The sink is clean, bitch. Because I am malicious. Okay. Anyway, so I'm going to cook because I'm hungry and we waited all day for this food to come because we ordered it from Stop and Shop. He's still playing this game. I don't even know what it's called. I'm going to try and cook with one hand. Do you think I could do it? No.
Oh my god, it's a great game.
It is. Okay. I'm trying to cook with one hand. Did you eat all those Totino's thingies?
Okay.
Not very healthy.
Yeah, no, but I don't give a shit. Right?
Totino's, whatever it is.
Pizza bites.
Pizza bites. You're not supposed to be healthy. You're a guy. I don't think like guys are ever healthy. And I can't open it because, oh my god, they look so pretty. Look at those eggs. Oh my god, they're so delicious. Let's see if I can like... Look like a fucking I'm Julia Child or something. Eggy wags. Eggy wags. So I gave the cats a bath today. I wonder if they can hear me. The camera's kind of far away. So what the hell was that? So I gave the cats a bath today, and it was very amusing. And here's why it was amusing. It was amusing because Tifa! Ah, is she dry?
Yeah,
mostly?
for the most part.
So I gave the cats a bath, and they beat me up. Wait, where's the evidence? There's the evidence. Right there. Lucy beat me up. Because she's a bitch. She's the cutest bitch I've ever seen. Tifa, what are you doing? Oh, she's running away. That's what she's doing. Okay. Back to cooking. Yay! Okay. Are you still playing that game? Oh. Oh, I should put toast in the toaster too. Duh. Duh. I totally skipped a step. That's fine. I mean, I missed a step. Not skip. Okay, I'm going to end this video so I can toast my toast. Toast my goats. You know what that's from?
What?
I love you, man. Funny movie. Okay, I'm going.